Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and this is, answering a few little things that I see in comments in the posts in the past few days. The first one is about why Windows 11, and my reply to that would be, well, why not? It's a way to continue forward into something else. It does have a new design, new UI, new windows and animations when Windows open and stuff. So, honestly, it is something that it's fine, and they decided, well, let's do something new and we'll give it a different number. I still have people coming back to me saying, well, Microsoft did say there was no other Windows after Windows 10. Once again, I want to state, Microsoft never did say that. I was also on that, I was also guilty of propagating that until I read a blog post that did mention there was just one developer at an event that said that. But nobody else said it. And when Microsoft never said it or acknowledged that. And if it was true, what does it change? Why can't they change their minds? I don't know why some people are obsessed with, well, they shouldn't do this because of, there's no rule, okay? That's the way it is. One of the things we think also about the fact that they're doing this new operating system numbering, Windows 11, because let's face it, underneath it's still Windows 10 with a new UI on it. PC sales were up a lot in the past year and a half due to the pandemic. Most people that bought a PC are pretty much now have that PC and will be keeping it. And it's a known fact that people don't update to a new Windows. Most people will have a new Windows when they buy a new PC. So this is, some people think it's a hint of maybe trying to help the industry, as PC sales can only go down starting from this year and forward again. So they're hoping, well, maybe this will boost or help at least maintain PC sales up, as Microsoft is understanding that the PC side of things is still very important. A lot of people are saying, well, to make money, this is so bad. It's like, Microsoft is a business. It's there to make money. That's the way it works. I personally have no problem with that. When I hear people complaining about that, that's how companies work. That's all. And why not? Also, I would go with the fact that, look, Mac operating system has, an update every year, and new naming system, a new operating system every year. Linux distros change all the time, so why not Windows? And since they're going in a new direction with the new interface, they thought, well, maybe it's a big change enough. And that's where maybe the discussion is. Is it a big change enough to be worth a new Windows, name? Well, Microsoft decided, yep, it is. But we all know that underneath it's still Windows 10. It's just the interface, the user interface that changes with the new, rounded edges and the Sun Valley look and feel and the Windows 10X stuff mixed in. But why not? I mean, it's fine. And it's in a new direction and new changes, and this is the way that it's going forward. Simply, if you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching our videos.